Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to deliver groceries with Instacart. First, open the Instacart app or website and choose a store near you. Browse the store, select the groceries and household items you need, and add them to your cart. Once you place your order, Instacart connects you with a personal shopper in your area. Your shopper picks your items, communicates with you in real time about replacements, and prepares your order for delivery. At checkout, you can choose contactless delivery by selecting the Leave at my door option. Your groceries are then delivered straight to your doorstep. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get groceries delivered with Instacart. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.